Hi, my name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. This video is for Gemini Thermo HVAC. This is a short video in which I'm going to be talking about 3 things you can do today to help you bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of the video you like what you saw and heard, shoot me a message and we can chat. If not, that's okay with me. So I'll get right into it. The 3 things I'm going to be talking about today will be content, citations, and backlinks. So as you can see, I'm on your homepage right now, and I want to talk about content. That'll be anything that's on this homepage, from videos, pictures, to words. And to rank up on Google searches, you want to have at least 1,500 or more words on this homepage right here. And words which are filled with good keywords and targeted words, basically, to help you outrank your competition. And secondly, also the pictures really matter, because what's behind the picture and how they're actually saved will make a big difference as well on how you'll rank up on Google. So that's for this section, content. Next, I want to talk about citations. I just want to show you really quickly. I did a quick search for the New York City area. I want to show you how the customer actually looks at something when they search for a business. So the first thing they'll see is this top section right here, which is called the Google Guarantee. This is a paid service by Google in which you can only get there after you've gone through a verification process with Google, and then you can place an ad here. I really like this because it gives really strong leads. After that, we move on to this traditional Google ad section, which in 2020 is honestly a hit or miss, because a lot of people have something called an ad blocker nowadays. If they do have that, they're not going to see this at all. And secondly, some people just have bad experiences in the past with this ads. But companies, as you can see, still do it. And if placed properly, it'll get you good results. If not, it's just a big money pit. But that's something you can look into later if you want. Then we move on to this section called the map pack, where I'll also talk to you about citations. A citation is any website out there which allows you to put in your business information, such as your name, phone number, and address. And this is exactly what we see here: name, address, and phone number, along with like business hours, links to the website, and all the good stuff. So I would recommend definitely trying to get up on these top 3 spots, because a lot of customers just go there and click on the business. After that, we get down to this section, which is called the organic section. Over here, you'll see the websites which have organically ranked up and came on the first page of the Google search. And in between them, you'll have some national directories like Yelp and White Pages and Yellow Pages. But the other websites are the ones which have ranked organically and came to the first page. Next and last, I'm going to be talking about backlinks. A backlink is any website out there which gives a link to you guys, to your website, potentially bringing in that traffic and giving you some good backlinks as well. Let me just show you a tool I use called Ahrefs. So as you can see, I've already put in your website right here. This tool is really good. It gets its statistics directly from Google and tells me what I need to know about the performance of any website. So as you can see, you guys got 65 referring domains, which give you 193 backlinks, which give you 1,700 keywords, which are giving you about 500 traffic per month. Into context for you, I've went ahead and pulled up another top competitor in New York, and just to show you what their stats look like. Here we go. This is the company, and as you can see, it's a pretty significant difference. They got 826 referring domains, giving them 4,200 backlinks, giving them 7,800 keywords, which allows them to pull in at least 18,000 organic traffic or customers coming to their website per month. So this is where you want to be heading to. Let me go back on yours right here. All these numbers, to boost them, it's very doable, and it's actually what we specialize in. And I'll go back to your website, along with actually, here, let's go on the home page, along with actually fixing like any things on the website, like putting in good keywords, putting in the content. So all these things that I talked to you about today. Like I told you, the video will be short, and that's all I had for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and you found it to be educational. If you like what you saw and would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help your business grow online, please give me a call. My information will be in my email signature that I sent you. If not, that's no worries. Enjoy the free tips I've given you today. If you could just give me some feedback on this video and how I did, I'd really appreciate that. Once again, thank you very much and you have a great day.